Hello guys, and welcome to another video for retail traders. So this video will become a little bit longer than usual because I would like to explain you why and how to trade the current split of Amazon. First of all, I would like to review the company. I will do a little bit of technical analysis. So how you can see, I give you the signal like yesterday for the NASDAQ index, and when you open also the Amazon, you can see that they are with positive correlation. So Amazon is in the NASDAQ index, but there are also a lot of other companies that doesn't have the same correlation like Amazon. And here you can see the very same signal on NASDAQ with a double bottom. Here this is the Amazon, and this is the double bottom of NASDAQ. The very same signal, double bottom also here. So next, because we're gonna look mostly about the stock split, for us it's important also the fundamental analysis. So usually we can use Seeking Alpha, Investing.com, Yahoo Finance to find some useful information. But for the stock split exactly, we need mostly articles on how the company performs in the years. So if you go and look on internet, I found here on Britannica.com a lot of articles about Amazon, and if you get know the company well, you will understand that since the beginning of 1995, the Amazon is 1994, the company is constantly growing and expanding. So it performs really well. So let's go back to the current theme, which is the stock split. What is exactly the stock split and how does it affect the company and the price of the share? Basically, a stock split does not affect at all the company. Amazon does not change anything of their structure, nothing like strategy, nothing like current markets. Okay, so what effect will have this split on the current price? Amazon is doing split 1 to 20, which means that whoever got one share of Amazon before the split with the old price, now they're gonna have 20 shares with the new price. So the current shareholders are also not affected by the split. The most important for us, like retail traders, is that now the price will be 20 times cheaper than before, and that's why Amazon is doing the split. So more retail traders can afford to buy the shares. What does it mean? A lot of retail traders will be able to buy the Amazon shares because it's gonna have significantly lower price, and I guess they're gonna do that because I'm also going to buy them. So from fundamental point of view, because of the high demand with the new price, the price of the stock will reach new highs. So let this video hit 100 likes. Why not 1000? Let's the video hit 1000 likes, and I will explain you exactly my strategy how to trade the current split. And possibly there is another split on Google on 16th of July. You can also trade this split with the same strategy. So come on guys, help me grow this channel, and I promise you a lot of valuable content and giveaways in which you have the possibility to win gifts and cash prizes. I want to see that you appreciate my effort to do this content, because I'm sure that you're not gonna find any similar content, neither free or with a price of thousands of dollars. So be sure that you subscribe, share, like, comment, whatever. Just don't miss the next video. Wish you profitable trades.